Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Auto Grok. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for Grok Automation and find this extension. After that, add it to Chrome. Once it's installed, close all the tabs and open the extension. Then click on Navigate to Grok and it will take you to the Grok website. So you will need to log in the first time. After that, click Navigate to Grok again and you will be able to use the extension. Now you can set everything up and paste your prompt there, then just click Run. Right now I don't have Super Grok, so I can't generate anything. But if you have Super Grok, this method will work for you. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.